Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to replace the drive belt of Honda Activa 110, and the process is completely same for all the Activa models. So here I am going to replace the belt, and you have to replace the belt after every 25,000 kilometers, and this scooter already had more than 40,000 kilometers, so it is always a good idea to replace the belt before it snaps. So it is very important that you must replace the belt, and this bolt is slightly difficult, so we have to remove all the 8mm bolts from here. We have to take out this belt cover, and inside we have to remove the belt. So first I am taking out this belt cover. So we have to remove all the 8mm bolts, and I think we can take this one outside. And here this cover is creating problem. So I think all the bolts are out, and you can see the length of the bolts here. All are of the equal size except this one. So this is the size here, and for removing the cover, just hit it like this and it will come outside easily. Just keep it down like this, and now we can assess the belt here, and belt is in worse condition. So from here I am taking out the bendix. You can see I am removing this bendix, and you have to take care of a washer here. So this bendix came outside and washer is intact. We'll lubricate it, and we removed the bendix because we have to take out the belt from here. Okay, and for removing this one, either you can just hold this clutch to drum by using a universal holder like this, or you can just apply the brake, rear brake, and you can use the impact driver to remove this drum. And here I am using a 19mm socket, and this one came outside very easily, and this washer and this drum will come outside, and it is in healthy condition, and this whole assembly will come outside. You can see here with the belt. Yes, this whole assembly came outside. You can see this clutch shoe here, and this is going to last for few thousand kilometers. We have to replace it in future, and you can see this oil seal is leaking from here. So this is the another topic. We'll replace it in future. This gear oil seal is leaking, so we'll replace it in future. And so we have to take this belt outside, and this belt came outside easily, and you can see the condition of this belt. You can see this belt can snap anytime. It is completely worn out belt. You can see its condition. So it is completely worn out, and it is very dangerous to ride with this type of belt. And you can see it is completely worn out, and it's bando. We will clean this shiny portion of the clutch shoe. We have to clean it to make it more effective. We also have to clean the dust of this drum. We have to clean it nicely. Here I am using the new belt, and you can see its cost. It is cheaper than the genuine Honda, and it is roll-on brand. And here is our new belt, and we have to place it. Now here I am putting the new belt, and it is sometimes difficult to put this new belt, and sometimes you have to remove this variator assembly, but you can do it. You have to be slightly careful here, and you have to insert it in the gap here, so you can do it. Sometimes it is possible, and sometimes it becomes difficult, so you have to be careful. I just inserted it here. The old belt came outside easily, but this is not going, so sometimes it goes inside, sometimes it creates problem. So I am removing this nut, and this whole variator assembly will come outside. And here I am using 22 mm socket to remove this nut here. This is for very and this one came outside. If you don't have this one impact driver, then you have to hold this one by using a holder, and after that you have to remove it. So this nut came outside. This is 22 mm, and now this assembly will come outside. Yes. And it is always a good time to inspect the rollers. So rollers are in good condition. We'll just clean it. In future we need to replace it while doing the engine work. So I'm just cleaning it and putting it back. So I'm putting this one variator assembly back, and after that I'm putting this new belt assembly, and here is the clutch assembly. I'm putting the clutch assembly also. Here is the clutch assembly, and I'm putting it back here. Yes. And here is our new belt. So we have to be little bit careful here. we have to put it here, and after that we'll put this plate here. Perfect. This is fan assembly. It will keep the belt in cold condition, and this is the, and this one is for kick assembly. It will engage, and the washer and the 22 nut, and here we will put back the drum. Okay, the washer and a 19 nut. It is in perfect condition. Yes, it is perfect. So our belt is installed perfectly. Yes, and now we'll put this cover back. Now we'll put back this Bendix assembly carefully. Yes, use a small amount of grease here for the bush. This video is about changing the belt only. In future we will do the complete engine work of this engine, and all the oil seals are leaking here. So after I think 10,000 kilometer we will do the complete engine work of this engine, including gear and everything. So and we have to take care of the dowel here. So dowel is important. Yes, two dowels are there, and we have to take care of everything. And after that we'll put back all the bolts here. So I am putting back all the bolts here, and after that it will be ready. So I installed everything back, and our Activa is ready now. So I am going to start it, and we'll see how it is working. I think after 10,000 kilometers I am going to do complete engine work of this scooter. So please subscribe this channel so that whenever I will make new videos for you, you will get a notification and you can watch it. So let's see how it is working. So it is working perfect, and in this way you can replace the drive belt of your scooter. And for other scooters also the process is same, and the process is completely same for Hero and Honda scooters. You just have to remove this cover, and you have to put the belt as I shown you. So please like this video, share it among your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. And at last, thank you for watching. We'll meet in next video.